Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Ankita. So I hope guys you all are safe. This is the third video of chapter number 2, acid bases and salts. So in this video we are going to cover the topics reaction of acids and bases together. Also we are going to react the acids and bases with metal oxides. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start with our video. So first of all, we are going to react acids and bases together. So whenever the acids and bases will react together, they will form salt and water always. Okay, so this is fixed that they will always form salt and water. Right, so let me take an example over here. If I take the example of the HCl, or you can say hydrochloric acid in the acids, and if I take the example of sodium hydroxide in the bases, whenever they will react, they will form a salt and H2O, that is the water. So whenever the hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide will react, they will form the NaCl or the sodium chloride. Okay, which is a salt, and H2O, that is water, will also be released. So this is the reaction when an acid and base reacts together, right? I have given you the example. So this type of reaction, whenever an acid reacts with a base, okay, and they'll start forming the salt and water. So this type of reaction is always known as a neutralization reaction. Okay, what is a neutralization reaction? Basically, when an acid reacts with the bases to form salt and the water, those type of reaction are always known as the neutralization reactions, right? So over here, there is one thing to keep in mind, a very important point, that is H plus ions when reacts with OH negative ions, they will always form H2O. Now I will give you the explanation over here. First of all, if you see the acids, right, if you see HCl, okay, this is in acidic nature, right, this is in acidic nature, this is an acid, so it will be acidic in nature. If I talk about the sodium hydroxide, right, this is a base and this is basic in nature, and they'll start producing the salt and the water, right? So when always an acid is acidic in nature and a base is basic in nature, so they releases, whenever an acid is acidic in nature, acid always releases H plus ions, right, hydrogen positive ions. And if I talk about a base, always releases OH negative ions. Okay, so whenever H positive ions will react with OH negative ions, they will always form the water. That means acid and bases will react to form the water. So this was the neutralization reaction and an important point which I gave you. So this was an important point. Okay. So now let's move on to the another topic, that is reaction of metal oxides with acids and bases. First of all, we are going to react the metal oxides with the acids, right? So first of all, what are metal oxides or metallic oxides? The metal oxides, that means the metal with the oxygen. For example, the calcium oxide and magnesium oxides, these all are the example of the metal oxides, right? So first of all, metal oxides are basic in nature. Okay, whenever acid reacts with the metal oxide, that means a base only. Okay, it will form base only. If its nature is basic, it will form base only. So that means whenever an acid reacts with the base, it will always form the salt plus H2, right? Whenever an acid reacts with the base, it always forms salt plus H2O. That means when an acid reacts with the metal oxide, it will also form salt plus H2O. Okay, let me take an example over here. Hydrochloric acid to be an acid, and metal oxide, let it be the calcium oxide. Whenever they both react with each other, they will start forming calcium chloride, okay, which will be a salt produced. Also the water will also be produced. Okay, so this was all about the reaction of metallic oxides with the acid. And if I talk about the reaction of non-metallic acid with the bases over here, first of all, what are non-metallic acids? Non-metallic acids, like non-metals with acids, non-metal with the oxide, okay, non-metallic oxide, right? We are reacting the non-metallic oxide with the bases. So that means the non-metal with the base, whenever it reacts with an acids, it will start forming the salt in H2. Okay, I know that you won't be clear over here. Non-metallic oxides, whenever the non-metal reacts with the oxygen, non-metal like carbon, okay, carbon dioxide will be there if I talk about the non-metallic oxides. So this is acidic in nature. Okay, let me give you an example, then you will be much more clear. Okay, if I talk about a base over here, right, bases are reacting with non-metallic oxide, right? So in place of non-metallic oxide, we have to put an acid, which is the carbon dioxide. Okay, so if I take the example over here, that would be the calcium hydroxide, which is a base. When reacts with the non-metallic oxide, that is the carbon dioxide, or it reacts with a base, simply it will start producing salt in H2O. So the salt produced over here would be the calcium carbonate, and the water will be produced. So this was the reaction wherein bases react with the non-metallic oxides, right? So this was all about the video. In the next video, we'll be comparing the acids and bases. So if you like my video, do like, comment, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. For more updates, do hit the bell icon.